So hi, I am Vanshika. I am working as a DevOps engineer in the Blue Dart Private Limited. I have like recently graduated and due to the platform engineer, so I have to talk on the GitOps side, how the GitOps broke the CI/CD pipeline, but it can be fixed with the Argo CD events. So we will going to discuss about that thing. So first is on okay, let's imagine you have a one friend and you don't that friend is always not keeping your secret and keeping not his secret as well in their stomach and is telling everyone without any perfect movement. So that's how Argo CD sometimes react when when you push the code through the pipeline and it's not present, your image is not present in the repository, and sometimes it's accidentally pop up that try to pull that image. It's not present, but you have pushed the trigger but not present on the repository. So that's Argo CD is that your friend who cannot keep the secret and just in a hurry to pull that image. So how this problem can be solved with the Argo CD as well with the Argo events. So back to the basics, we will come on the how previously things will be working on. Previously things work in the CI push the images, like we trigger the pipeline, CI push the images on the JFrog, then on the CD pipeline it pulls the image, right? So but how GitOps change this pipeline, change this thing, that Argo CD always keep an eye of your repository, and whenever he says that it's a change in the state, it pulls that image and it's push into the cluster. So right, this pull, the CI pipeline is doing the pull thing, and GitOps is the Argo CD is going the pull thing, or no, sorry, CI is doing the push and the GitOps is doing the pull thing. So this is resynchronization is the issue is there. So how this problem can be solved, right? So Argo CD can be gossip too early. Like you can imagine, you can compare this situation with the gossiping thing, that Argo CD is doing the too much gossiping with the Kubernetes repository and doing the things a lot. So how this can be this problem can be solved with the Argo CD event. What Argo CD event does, it has the three components: event source, sensor and trigger. Whenever you set the event source, in the event source you set where your image will be come from. It can be the JFrog webhook, the Docker Hub webhook, any other repository, any other thing. And sensor is the one who coordinates with the event source and the trigger. So that what happens, that even the sensor will think like a brain, and it's coordinated with the event source. Whenever event source realize that a new thing has been present in the webhook, then it's coordinated with the sensor, and sensor will go to communicate with the trigger, and trigger will listens that event source, and that's how Argo event architecture works. And the Argo CD now through this event source the coordinate and pulls the image right now based on the one, not automatically. Now Argo CD not automatically pulling the image, it's based on the webhook. Whenever he getting the signal, it pulling the image. So that's how this problem is solved. So how this event source sends the event to the sensor, and sensor triggers the flow, and this how synchronization problem gets solved. So this is a key takeaway, that CI do the push, GitOps do the pull, but Argo events is the coordination layer in between both of them. And so yeah, that's how. So this is a quick tagline. So the next time Argo CD deploys too early, remember it is not easy. It just needs a communication better skills. Argo CD needs to be communicate betterly with your within your repository. So that's how with the Argo events you can do that thing. You can improvise its communication skill with the Argo events. So yeah, thank you. That's it from my side.
Yeah, time for questions.
Yeah.
Try to repeat the question and
Yeah,
after
sure.
somebody asks it. Any questions? Somebody's bound to.
How do you track multiple environments?
Sorry?
How do you track multiple environments? So if you want to
Multiple
push a change to a development environment, you can use that webhook, pull it in. How do you
Okay.
differentiate between prod and development?
Okay, so like every prod and every environment will have the different YAML files. Like for each environment, you will have a different YAML files, and in the every environment you will configure the event source, the three components that I have shown, the sensor. All of them have the different YAML files through which you will coordinate in between the environments.
So
So are you watching like a specific tag, or are you watching like?
Yeah, like we are like Argo CD through the Argo events. What happened? The webhook will notify that event source that new image has been pushed now. So now it's time to pull the image. Basically, previously there's no webhook. It's saying it's based on the tag change. It's pulling the image, but maybe that tag is not present on the repository, right? Now repository is the source of truth, and repository is saying that now I have the image, so you can pull the image right now.
I have a question.
Yeah.
It's more maybe a philosophical thing about Argo and how it handles these environment-specific YAML files. How do you think that scales when you have, like, let's say 20 clusters? Do you always have the one YAML file per cluster with the cluster-specific files, or have you ever considered there could be some sort of templating within the Argo YAML as well? Because this is kind of a problem I have as well.
Like with the template, I think that could be an easy. If we fix the template, that could be reuse on all environments. So yeah, that optimization that we can do.
Yeah. So you would only have one common for everyone.
Yeah, for everyone.
That would be crazy good.
Yeah.
All right, thank you very much.
Thank you.
That's great.